Wow.
Haha.
Does he have quick PBS?
I don't know. Put Opus. Sounds neat. Opus.
Yeah?
Yep. I don't know what he uses.
Oh, whatever. The red button.
Oh, I can't see a thing. What the hell is it? Ooh, birds. There's birds in your room.
Oh,
What is it?
I don't know. Is it funny?
Yeah,
Can I see
look
it?
at it. What is it? Is there anything on it? Birds. Wait.
What the fuck?
Let me see.
It's not there anymore. It's the thing. You can hit it. And it makes
It's back.
Give me it. There's a little thing you hit. And
No,
it makes it do
I know. Ooh. 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 That's supposed to be a superimposed or something? Hey, it's in red. Oh, I can't see that. Black. White. Blue. Green. Cyan. Dan?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, it's okay.
Oh, okay. May I try?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the point of that? It's just that one thing that it can superimpose?
That's my face, Curtis.
Wait.
Here, want me to get your face?
No.
Here, come on, fuck off.
No.
What is this shit? What the fuck is your problem? It's not like I'm recording it or anything. What the fuck is this crap?
What?
What's going on?
What?
Hey, get in there. What's going on? Okay. What the fuck?
I got an idea. Give it some kind of weird vision.